What's up, guys? I'm back, and it's Monday. I know. I'm supposed to be in school right now. It's cause yeah, I got a little throat thing. It hurts real bad, and I got to stay in school. And right now, what I'm doing, I'm gonna play Modern Warfare 3, and check that out in Target or like wherever you go to get them. And I got it right here, and this is like one of the best games ever right here in my hands for Xbox. And believe it or not, it won best shooter in video games awards. If you haven't seen that, there's been like new games like Fortnite and some other one with zombies, and you should see if you guys if they still show it right now on Spike. And yeah, thanks. Buy it. Target. That's where I got it.